there. Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tony and I'm not feeling normal today because it's late and I know I have to do this. So it's another decluttering video, and as I've mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to declutter my fashion accessories. That includes my jewelries, my scarves, my hats, some of my bags, and hair stuff. So let's get on to it. But before anything else, let me just go back to my normal self in 3, 2, 1. There, I'm back to normal. Let's start off with these hats, headgears, whatever, some bags, and this is my bag of scarves, and this is my cat getting comfy. And from there, we move on to my dresser. So this is what we are going to declutter: my shades or sunglasses, some hair ties, some wallets. Leave this here. That's my first aid kit, some boxes and whatever. And from this drawer, let's move on to my treasure box. So this is where I keep all my jewelries, and I've got some, this one's empty, and some box for just random stuff. And this is my treasure chest. It's where I keep all my accessories. We are going to declutter this last, and I've got a lot of knickknacks here. Let's start. Hello again. So let's start off with my scarves, with my bag of scarves. I really don't have the patience to fold them properly, so I've got these bandanas here that I'm keeping, and I use them mostly as headbands or hair ties, and this big scarf, and along with these two, this one's for the summer, for the winter, and for the winter, and this one's kind of special. I've had this for years since it's a gift. I still have the scarf he gave me. Oh, here's the other bandana. So I've got 3 bandanas that I use mostly as hair ties and headbands, so I'm keeping them. I love the color of this one. It goes well with my black outfit, so I'm keeping this. And that's about it. I have decluttered before and had given away a lot of scarves. Okay, now moving on to my bags. So by looking at these, this one is a gift from someone, and I haven't been using this as of late. You can also use this as an iPad sleeve, but I am going to get rid of that. This one right here, also for some night out, and I haven't even used this yet, but I am going to give this up. Oh, this one is kind of old, but it still looks nice. I really don't know where I got this from. I have another black sling bag that I'm keeping, and it's this one. So between this and this, I'm going to keep this. So I guess I'm just left with these 3 here. This one is kind of sentimental to me because I used this in one of my best friend's wedding. This one is also special. I got this in Slovenia, and it's handmade and made of pure leather, so I am keeping this. And let's move on to my headgears or caps. So I have this bucket hat, and I'm keeping this black beret, which I really like, so I'm keeping that. Keeping this, and then of course I'm keeping this piece -1 by G-Dragon, so absolutely keeping this. No, I'm getting rid of this. I have another beanie somewhere that's black, and I'm keeping that, so I'm giving this away. I've got 3 wallets. The one that I use daily, it's in my bag. I'm not going to get it, too lazy to get it. And I have this one, another wallet that I mostly use when I travel, and then I got this one that I haven't used also, and I don't really like, so I'm going to give this away. And now let's move on to my eyewear. So first, I've got this box for my reading glasses. I have this one, so between these two, I'm keeping this and letting go of this. I really like using this during the summer, and I get a lot of compliments whenever I use this because it looks so unique. So I am going to keep this. I've got a Ray-Ban here. I don't know why I bought this. Yeah, I'm giving this away. And another case for my other reading glasses because I have two. Oops, sorry. Okay, for sunglasses, I'm just keeping these two and two of my reading glasses. Now with my hair ties and all, I'll just go through this real quick and then let's move on to my jewelry. So I've got this eye mask here, I'm keeping. Hairband, I'm not keeping. One's too tight for me, so I'm not keeping. Ooh, I've got this. Of course, it's an owl, so I'm keeping. Some bobby pins, I'm keeping. I'm not really using this, so I'm giving away. I really like the design of this one, so I'm keeping this. This one, I'm keeping. I'm keeping. I have another owl clip here that I got in Korea, so I'm also keeping this one. More bobby pins, and we're done with this one, so let's move on to my jewelries. Okay, I must tell you, I don't own a lot of expensive jewelry. Stopped owning expensive jewelries because either I break it or I lose it or it gets stolen. I'm just happy with inexpensive jewelries, but it has a disadvantage to that because I tend to buy a lot more than I need because I know it's inexpensive. But of course, when you have too much of it, then that's the time you'd realize that you have spent some amount of money on fast fashion jewelries. Okay, let's begin. Let's start off with my earrings. So I'm going to get rid of these. Got these in Thailand a few years back, so it's time to give it up. This one I'm giving up. I liked this before, but not anymore. So I'm going to give this up. Even this one, it's kind of tarnished already. And these are gifts, so I am keeping them. Let me just do it like this, so it's gonna be quicker. So this one I'm getting rid of, and then I've got this ring, and I'm keeping this just for some bling bling in the future. I know the pair is somewhere here, so I'm giving this up. And then these are my Christmas earrings, my favorite. I've got some silver earring here for my third piercing, and then these ones too, so I'm keeping them. And my favorite from Pandora, it's a gift, so it's kind of sentimental. And then ear cuffs, another ear cuff, that's an owl, so cute. And I got this, keeping. This one's so cute. They're like alien heads. Can you see it? And then some pendants from Pandora and gifts. Ah! Okay. Keeping. Okay, I really am so out of it now. I kept talking, but then I didn't record. Okay, so I have these pearls here, mostly gifts of bracelets and necklaces. I've recently gotten this from Shariat. It's really cute. She gifted me this for my birthday in June. And I also have this necklace here that's silver, and I like the stones here of black and blue. I've got some beaded necklace that I regularly use, and I've got some bracelets here. Let's sort this out. This one I'm keeping. I got this in Nepal. This one is a gift from Erwin. This one, it's really cute. So I got this in Greece, in Mykonos, I think. So I'm keeping this. And I got this both in Italy, and this one's from Cortina, and this is a Murano glass from that place where there's a lot of water. What city is that? Sorry, I really can't think now. I'll just put it here. And I don't normally, or I don't regularly use them, especially this one, but I'm keeping this for memory's sake. On this side, I've got 2 bracelets that I regularly use. I normally use this one too. It's not focusing. Never mind. Okay, so that's what's on this side. And let's move on to the drawers here. Okay, I got another bracelet here. It's the same as the brown one that I've gotten rid of, so I'm not keeping that. And then I've got a few earrings here I've dismantled, so I need to fix them. Another Murano glass, but this time it's a ring, so I'm keeping this. This is so 2019 or 2018, so I'm getting rid of that. And then I've got this massive ring here that I'm getting rid of. And then I've got some other earrings in here that I can put there. Ah! Okay, but anyways, it's this one. I like this, so I'm keeping this. Let's just put it back there. And then I also got this ring that I want to get rid of. Okay, getting rid of that. And then just some cases here. So that's that. Oh, there's another ring here. I like this. It's got some character. So let's just keep this for now. No, it's like tarnished, or it's kind of old, vintage. Let's keep it. But I'm not gonna use it. Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's move on to the side. Here I've got this inner circle bracelet. Got some hoops here. This is heavy. I'm not really going to use this. This one is kind of minimalistic, so let's keep that. Another ring here. This one I can keep. And a smaller one. Who knows, I may be using this in the future. I like this ring. Let's keep it. And in here are another owl pendant. So these are silver. I just have to get this clean or something. So in this drawer are just some random stuff. These are empty boxes, mostly of gifts and from Pandora, and that's about it. And some hair ties and all in here, some bobby pins, hair clips, so let's keep it there. Nothing to declutter here, so that's it, and we're done. Okay, so these are the jewelries or accessories that I have given up. Oh wait, I have to include the necklace that I wore earlier. These are the jewelries that I am letting go of. I have gotten rid of a lot, so I'm happy. Oh, I'm also keeping these pendants Rui had given. This is also a gift, and I really like it. Another owl pendant. So that's it. We are done with this decluttering task, even if I look so tired right now. And we're done decluttering my accessories, from scarves to hats to bags to eyewears, jewelries, and I am happy with the results, and hopefully you guys have been motivated or inspired to do the same. And I just want to remind you guys why I am doing this, because I believe that owning less doesn't define who we are or where we at life. It's just that we are keeping the things that are truly important to us, that we can use, that we love to use, and that we treasure. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching till the end of the video. I hope you have a good one. You can comment down below on how I'm all over the place, but I am so thankful for you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay strong. Good night. Bye.